In this video, we're going to review the 14-in-1 steam cleaner from Beldray. We bought ours from Robert Dice. Cost £39.99. Pretty sure that's how much it costs everywhere else. We've had the product now for over 3 months and used it on a variety of surfaces such as carpet, glass, wooden floors, plastics, even in the car. In this video, I'm going to show you and talk about what I found it useful for, what I found it not so useful for. This is not a sponsored video, so my opinion, there's no bias in my opinion. So to start off with, here's the product in its packaging, small enough to fit in your boot or car, light enough to carry as well. Mentions 3-year warranty on the front of the box. This is me unpacking the product and the contents. So a number of attachments. That there, by the way, is the attachment for carpets. It helps it glide over carpet more easily. These little attachments come in different shapes and sizes, just for different surfaces, and everything just clips off quite easily. This is the handle, very light, good length. Just attaches, clicks on, and then there's a little button there so you can just pull it off. This is the mop head or the mop attachment. Comes with 2 bits of cloth for cleaning floors, which just attach on. There's no velcro, nothing. It just sticks onto the back. Not sure how. It doesn't come off whilst you're using it either. The cable is about 3 meters long. To be honest, I wish it was a bit longer, but not the end of the world. If you've got a large living room like we do, it doesn't go from one end to the other fully. Comes with this little jug which fills the tank fully, and this little funnel. Worth noting, if you lose this funnel, it's really difficult to get water in without spilling it, which is quite annoying actually, because I often misplace the funnel and can't find it. This is the product on wooden floors, and honestly, this is what this product is for, what it's best at. The first time we cleaned our floors with this, the floor felt so clean. Steam is also useful to clean corners and nooks and crannies, places that's difficult to reach. It gets right in and gets to the dirt, but it does nothing for stain removal. Cleans glass really well, but as I was saying, does nothing for stain removal. What I mean by that is I expected it to, I don't know, I wasn't sure, but I thought maybe it'd help get some of the stains off carpet. It really did absolutely nothing. This is just some makeup on it. Maybe my expectations are too high. This is us going over just a rug. Again, it just, I mean, they say it sanitizes carpets. We don't have pets, we don't need to sanitize it, but we tried it, and the carpets just felt a bit moist afterwards. Nothing, I wouldn't say it felt cleaner or anything like that. And there you go, really. I think if I sum this product up, it's good for really 2 things. Cleaning glass. It cleans glass really well. You don't need no chemicals, just the steam, and it gets glass extremely clean. And floors, wooden floors rather, it really, you need no chemicals. You just use some steam, clean it, and our floors felt really clean. We've got 2 young kids who's constantly spilling Coke, etc., all over it, so it does a great job. And that is it, literally. That's what we found the product useful for. It was pointless for carpets, pointless for anything else. I know I said it gets into the nooks and crannies, but it doesn't actually clean. You know, if there's a bit of dust on it, it'll help get the dust off, but if you've got a stain or something on a surface, it's not going to take it off. That's not what this is for. Sorry, one other thing I would mention that this product is really good for is grease. So getting grease off stainless steel or anything, it works brilliantly, because I guess grease, when it goes cold, it hardens, and to take it off, when you use steam, you heat it up, and it really gets steam off really quickly. What we used it, I don't have a video, but I used it to get some steam off somebody else's kitchen, and it was amazing. So those three things, it's brilliant for. But just it's worth having just for cleaning floors. Honestly, it's just brilliant. We don't, to be honest with you, although it cleans glass really well, we haven't used it on glass. It's just easy just to use, glass cleaner. But yeah, so wooden floors and grease around kitchen, those are the two things that this product is great for. Hope you found this video useful. I decided to make one because before I bought one of these products, I tried to have a look at one online, and I couldn't find anybody else's video, so this is mine. Again, hope you find it useful. Please, if you have any questions, or feel free to write them in the comment section of this video, and I'll try my best to answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.